Hi again, everybody. It's Dr. Birk with another Back to Life health tip. Today I'm just going to be explaining to you the various stages of disc problems and what a herniated disc is versus a bulging disc. So really what's the most important thing that occurs in the spine is that there's shock absorbers between every level of our spine. Normal is a disc space that really creates an opening for our nerve root. The intervertebral foramen is based on the height of our discs here. So what occurs is when bone alignment is healthy. So if we look at the way these bones are moving, they're moving and causing circulatory effects to the disc. Because the disc is cartilage, there is no direct arteries or blood flow to them. The fluid exchange is very vital when it occurs through a proper alignment of the spine. The first effect is misalignment is that the vertebrae create a pressure on the disc. So as that disc is losing height, this is a very urgent matter to address before it becomes more permanent. And as that fluid is it's losing height and it's not allowing fluid to come back in when our vertebrae are misaligned. So that's subluxation, and the effect of subluxation is decreased disc spaces. The next effect is the more permanent stages that occur, and that's very dangerous for long-term health through vital organs functioning, nerve openings. Everything that occurs because of subluxation is that the discs continue to degenerate at this point where the vertebrae are, and that leads to more and more problems and pain and symptoms, but really the dangerous effect of that is that herniation occurs in the disc. So a bulging disc leads to a herniated disc, and that's the difference. A bulging disc is reversible in the sense that if the subluxations are restored, we can pull back disc material and allow a vacuum effect, which has been proven in research. But otherwise, once a disc has lost the annular fibers and led to the disc herniated, that internal fluid, once it leaks out, is much more dangerous and more painful. So really what we want to talk about in another video is how to correct subluxations and getting to reversing those problems. But this is the true difference between a herniated disc and a bulging disc. Stay tuned.